Now it's Keely Ellison's turn on her first hunt ever. Luckily, she's got a great teacher, and Dan is in the blind right behind her with the camera. Watch the knock actually fly off Keely's arrow.
This is day 5 in South Africa, and this is my first hunt with a bow. Actually, my first hunt altogether. And we've been out here for about 12 hours. And about a half hour before dark, we saw a nice Nyala come in, and I got a shot at it.
Beautiful.
This is a very beautiful
Good job,
bow.
sweetheart. Hopefully there's more to come.
Look at that. Oh, this is beautiful.
What do you think, Keely?
Nice looking animal.
I can honestly say Africa's been a lot of firsts for us. First time we've ever been here, and it's the first time my wife has ever been with me on a hunt where we killed a warthog 2 days ago. And now she shot her bow before we came here, and she's hunted for her first time ever, and she killed a absolutely huge Nyala. And boy, honey, I'm so proud of you. It's awesome. We sat in a blind all day. And what do you think? This is your first bow kill.
Very nice animal. And I'm here with my husband and our PH, Chris.